We are currently parked at SLAB City. Last night we went and explored the area. We went to the range, East Jesus, Salvation Mountain. This place is pretty cool. So Jordan and I have some big news for you. We have decided to ditch the Scamp, and this is our new home. Just kidding. Actually, our Scamp is parked at a friend's place in their garage while we take a break from it for the next month while we travel up the California and the Oregon coast in this baby right here. Sometimes living in such a tiny space, you can get into your own head a little bit and kind of dream of wanting something maybe a little bit bigger. So we are punishing ourselves for thinking such blasphemous thoughts and shrinking down to living in this tiny space. So enough fluff, let's get to the tour because I know you guys are anxious to see it. So this is our 2007 Honda CRV. It typically stays in storage over the summer and we break it out in the winter for all of our little adventures because it gets such good gas mileage. So this conversion was done in under a day and for less than $100, so it's pretty bare minimum. And let's get to the kitchen. We have some peanut butter, gas can, here is our pot and our little tiny stove, MSR Pocket Rocket, link to that is in the description below. And then we have all of our canned food and all of that stuff. And then here is some utensils and some containers, spices, all that kind of stuff. We have some more food, some granola bars and some jerky. And then in this corner we have all of our produce. So this is our inverter. We bought it for around $40, $45. It plugs into a cigarette outlet and it is pure sine wave. Link to that is going to be in the description as well. So this is where we keep all of our clothes. I got 2 bins down here, some shoes, and then I have a bunch of sweaters back here as well. To access that a little easier, we come up here and then pull the seat forward, and then I can pull my bins out and be able to access all of my stuff pretty easily. And this is Jordan's side. He doesn't use the bins, he just loosely folds his clothes and he just stores his pants, his shirts, and his sweaters right there. So there isn't enough room for Jordan to sleep fully in the back. So what we have to do is we have to pull the seats forward, lean them forward, and then we also have a piece of wood that comes out and an extra cushion that goes on top of the wood. And for some extra privacy at night, we bought some reflectics. We cut them out to the shape of the window, spray painted the back black, and put a bunch of Velcro in the corners. So they're really easy to put up and nobody can see in here. So that's the end of our CRV tour. If you want to see a tour of our Scamp, there's going to be a link to that in the description. If there's one thing that you do right now, the most important thing is to make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and if you truly, really feel like it, make sure you leave us a comment as well.